expedition. I'm going to be leapfrogging, catching up with you guys all day long, getting those big shots of the day. And, well, you guys are my reality stars. I think we've got about 5 rafts filled with guests that are ready to get on down this river. So let's meet them and go rafting. What's up, guys? Howdy. How you doing today?
We're not that close.
We have met our guide personally and closely. Yeah. You guys excited? I know this is part of the wild crew. Yeah, there we go. And we got a little bit of nice weather. Yeah. Nice to meet ya. And Kurt's crew, let's get a couple of dry shots. It's your reality. Hi. I didn't make it to see you guys in time, but gotta document y'all.
Never coming back.
You might not. I don't know this guide really, so. Harlan crew, oh my God! I'm gonna make these today. You got a How's it going, Andy? How's it going, Andy's crew? How are you guys doing? It's a reality preview thing, intro. Hey, how's it going? The crew of TJ. Oh my gosh, we have a prince today. He's the king for the day, definitely. Oh, we got some little guy with us. Pretty awesome. And you all are from Ohio, right? Oh my God, one of the groups in North Carolina, much better. I'm happy about that. Guys, we've met our reality stars for this whitewater film down the lower Gauley with River Expeditions. We got some great guys out here. There's only one I don't really know from Colorado, but I'm sure he's good. This is Kurt. I'm going to be here to get all the action shots. Time for me to get on downstream and get to our first major rapid of the day. Team River Expedition. I'm on location at the first major rapid of the day. If you guys are hitting a seat, it is called Pieces Bloom. It's rated class 5. Guys, it is a tricky one. You have all sorts of sticky holes up at the top that just might knock a person out, and a huge, what we call the flume ride. So guys, that rock is very, very undercut. Pretty nasty. So once you guys bust through all those waves, you got something called 5-boat hole. And guys, it's a kayaker's dream, and well, I will see some raft surf there sometimes. I'll be here to catch the action. These guys